evening, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you a fabulous unboxing from VIP Cross Stitch. That is www.vipcrossstitch.com. Now all of you know VIP Cross Stitch. They specialize in cross stitch. Anything cross stitch and embroidery you can find at VIP Cross Stitch. Their service is immaculate. Customer service, fantastic. Their products are amazing. Shipping is quick. And what more do you want from a company than exactly that? Brilliant service, brilliant everything. I just want to look here because I'm looking for the brand of this. Yes, I hope I don't slaughter the name, but I will tell you soon. Alright, so you can also find all the tools and accessories your heart desire at VIP Cross Stitch. They also do customs. If you do 2 pieces, you get 10%. If you get 3 pieces, 15% off. So, very good company, very, very reliable. They sell all kinds of crafts on their website. You must just go and have a look. You also get free shipping for orders over $55. Then, if you want to save a little bit more at VIP Cross Stitch, you just type in my discount code. My discount code is RELLA10 for extra 10% off. Alright, we've all said it done. Look at that beautiful picture. I think it's magnificent. Now the brand, let me try and say this correctly. The brand is Quang Hong. The brand is Quang Hong. Very, very good. So let's have a look. It comes in a reusable envelope with a little press stud in the back. My press stud came loose. And let's have a look, yeah. Alright. This is very pretty. Okay. So there's a carton here. A very thick one. I think I'm going to put this... Okay, now. I must take some pictures. So let's do that. There you go. There's a picture. Now this is an 11 count, 85 by 65 centimeters. It's a Quang Hong brand. So the pamphlet is your pattern. There's no back stitching. And we're working with 70 colors. Yes, you heard me right. 70 colors, not a difficult stitch. And it's gonna look so beautiful. Absolutely amazing. So let's have a look. I just want to do that. Okay, so let's see. Oh, look at those colors. I love it. It is amazing. Okay, so let's go. Alright, so bright white Ada. Very, very beautiful. It is serged all the way around for our convenience. And look at that. Isn't that just marvelous? Absolutely amazing. 85 by 65 centimeters. 321 by 239 stitches. Glorious. I do not see needles or... Let me just see. Yeah, there's no needles or nothing with this one. Which is quite strange. Okay, so no needles, no nothing. Nothing came with this. You must do your own. There's nothing with this one. But the printing is exceptional. And the stitch is going to be easy. Let me show you from close up. Look at that. Wait, I'm gonna just hold on. Very pretty, right? You can't go wrong. If it's printed like this, it's exceptional. It's really, really, really nice. I must show you the next, while we're busy here, I've got 2 other ones and they will come soon. Here they are, also from VIP. I will show them to you in upcoming videos. Alright, so this is perfect. What do you think? Let's have a look at the colors. Now look at this. Oh, it is fantastic. Okay, so let me loosen this. I've always just received fantastic service from VIP Cross Stitch. All of you that's ordered from them before will know this is true. They're a splendid company. Very, very good company to work with. Very professional. All right, so let's show this beautiful things to you. Okay, so there we go. Look at that. It's cotton. And it's pretty. I'm going to show everything together to you. Just want to show them separate because they're in this thread organizers. I love them. You work so easily with them. I really, really like them. And there you go. Also this. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right. And then, let's look here. Absolutely gorgeous, right? Okay, so let me show it to you together. Look at that. And there's a lot of it. This is no joke. This is a lot. I just want to see quickly for you guys. This one's 11 count village, 85 by 65. I want to open it quickly. 70 colors. And it's $29.14. So I think it's absolute value. Absolute fantastic. I really, really like it. Now, guys, remember, please consider subscribing to my channel. By doing that, you're helping me out a lot and you won't miss my upcoming videos. Also, hit the like button and leave me a comment in the comment box. Tell me your opinion. Tell me what you think. I think this is fantastic. I just want to thank VIP Cross Stitch. It is amazing. Very, very good product. Thank you so much. And then I want to thank you guys. Thank you for always supporting me, watching my videos. You guys are very dear to me. Till next time, lots of love. Stitcha-Rella.